Expectations are high, as they usually are for an Apple event. Tomorrow, the Dow component is widely expected to unveil new iPhones, the device that is responsible for billions of dollars in revenue every quarter for the company. Ahead of the event, shares finished the day higher by more than 2.5%. Josh Lipton has more on what to expect.
Apple CEO Tim Cook calls the iPhone's recent success stellar.
These numbers are unheard of.
But the question is whether the momentum will continue. Tomorrow, Apple is expected to unveil the new iPhone 6s with a faster processor, improved camera, and pressure-sensitive display. But there are concerns about whether iPhone units will grow in the quarters ahead. The worries? Tougher comps, a slowing Chinese economy, and a maturing smartphone market. Yet Apple is taking share from rivals like Samsung, and there are a lot of iPhone users who could be waiting to upgrade. On the company's last earnings call, Cook said only 30% of iPhone users had moved to the 6 and 6 Plus.
Let's face it, when iPhone is generating 60% of revenues and maybe 80% of operating income, Apple usually knocks new iPhones out of the park, and that's where they have typically been very polished in revealing new features.
In addition to a new iPhone, reports suggest that a new 13-inch iPad is on the way. The iPad has been a sore spot for Apple, with sales disappointing Wall Street. The hope for the bulls? That this new tablet, designed for the workplace, can reverse the product's downtrend. But the main event may be a revamped Apple TV, which is expected to have a speedier processor and motion-sensitive remote control. That could make Apple TV an attractive gaming machine, putting Apple in position to compete for a slice of that $100 billion video game industry. Apple stock has been under pressure, down some 15% from a recent high. Tomorrow, Apple's executives will try to excite investors and consumers with a range of new products. For Nightly Business Report, I'm Josh Lipton in San Francisco.